time. It is absolutely off the chart amount of electricity to melt it. But that's what they use.
Huh.
And so anyway, well,
so that you're able to run it.
well, and that
all the days.
That was the other thing. Even if you reduced it down to whatever the grid could handle, the storage issue is there.
Yeah.
And so
it's going to be on your right hand side, maybe a mile.
Okay.
Not far.
Okay.
So you know, and the estimates of how much you'd have to increase the grid capacity for all cars to be electric is insane also. So
and then you're really relying on, I know it's environmentally friendly, but like what happens if for some reason the power grid in the United States goes down and then none of us can drive anywhere?
So
2 minutes.
I mean
2 minutes then.
I mean, at the moment, hybrid is the most I would consider.
Right.
And there's actually, now that hybrids have been around for a long time, or a while, long enough, to get really high numbers of cycles on engines, they're discovering that the gasoline part is not as robust as it needs to be for to be used in that application, really. And so they actually need to figure out a way to make the oil better at startup. So there are durability issues with hybrids.
With hybrids.
And which could be solved, but they haven't been.
Me?
You know, the constant stop-starting is the issue. And
Mom, am I going off by myself?
Honey, we're not going to just ditch you in the parking lot and be like, bye. I'll make sure you get to your destination safely.
Nana, that's